The next step for the brackets are installing what we call the end cap brackets. Now these are a different style of bracket. I'm going to get in closer here so that you can see what's happening here. But basically there's this angled bracket that we pre-install, and you want to have the angle, you see the angled part here, you want it right at the corner of the wood. So in other words, you don't want the angle coming off the plane of the wood, or you don't want the angle being inset like this, so that you want kind of corner meets corner like that. And we will typically put the short side on the panel and the long side sticking out. It just gives us a greater area to grab when we're trying to install this thing, but it really doesn't matter. What does matter, however, is the order that you put these in, because if we don't install these end cap brackets first, what will happen when it's time to put the bucket brace on this corner, you can see it covers up right here. So you won't have the ability to screw a bracket in right here or right there in the middle, and you don't want to have to take it off to do that. So install your end cap brackets first. Again, it's top, center, bottom, and then after that we'll put the braces on. Now this bucket brace, we call it, is only because it's kind of the style of a bucket. A shovel, you know, we just set a sandbag right in there. So we use these bucket braces because they have a lower profile, and we will usually put these on the corner or edge of a set. And the reason why we put it in that particular place is because that corner of the set is really close to the wall here. And I know it's a little challenging to see in here, but it'll make more sense when I do the follow-up video of why we use a bucket brace down there. Let's get back into focus here. We use a bucket brace down there, and we use these A-frame braces right here in this other section, but we'll cover that in the next video.